So my name's Ryan. I'm one of the owners of Socialdice. The idea came with me and my partner who wanted to set up a board game cafe, just going out on a night out. There was nothing that has that sort of activity that's so naturally social. At the time, Swansea never had anything like an activity that isn't just going out for food, that isn't just going out for drinks or going on a night out. We went back to that, and then we felt we were at the stage where we'd get in touch with Business Wales. We did a course, and then we were passed on to Jamie, a business advisor who was based in the sort of Swansea area. What he said to us was, "You're overthinking it. You've done a 20-page document. By the time we speak next, I want you to have contacted estate agents, looked at properties that are available, set up a business bank account." By the time we actually spoke to Jamie again, which was 3 days later, we had already viewed 2 properties, we'd set up the bank account. The biggest, I'd say, the support that we've had from Business Wales was changing it from just talking about it to making action with it.